Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can edit a post on Facebook. So let's take a look. First things first, you go to Facebook, make sure you're on your name, find the post in question. I made this and here we go. And you can see late last night at the Ned, that's a mistake there. So you can click the three buttons here to edit. Click edit post. Click that. And you can go and you can actually just click anywhere there. Let's say we go there. And you can press the backspace. 1, 2, 3, and type the word. Another way to do that is to double click on the word, backspace, and type. And that's how you can edit. And you can click save. And now you can always check and you can reread it. Late last night at the end of Anthony and his party with my wife. And if you ever want to check your most recent post, you can, one of the easiest ways to do it is to go up to the top. You can remove whatever is in front of here. Just put facebook.com. And when you're signed in, click your profile top left. And that should load. There we go. And then you go down on the feed in the middle, which is always here. And you can see your latest post right here. So late last night. That's the post I've just edited. And there we go. Hope that helps. Make sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on basic technology such as Facebook, Google, Zoom, and some other applications. Thanks.